So just a little update on my little mate here. He's, I really wasn't thinking about his size, and I thought I'd measure him today. He's actually just over 60 centimetres long. His thickest spot, though, if you look down here, isn't any thicker than my finger. So he's still only a little baby. He's just a big long fella, aren't you, mate? Eh? Aren't you? You're a pretty boy or girl. Eh? Beautiful. So this is the update. Had a feed again just recently. 3-4 days ago. So I don't want it to get obese, so I'm going to keep it at fortnightly feeds. And listening to what's going on outside, I think there might be a python outside, so I'll just pause this and I'll put him back in his pen and I'll see what's going on. So yeah, up the top of this tree here, there's a poor little python stuck right up the top, and the birds are harassing it, but not much I can do about it. I can't climb up there, so I'll leave them to harass the python until he comes down, and then I'll put him in the shed or something. Anyway, you all have fun now.